In this lecture, we're going to be selling these 3 videos individually. So that means at the end, we should have 3 purchasing options. That is 1 purchasing option per every video. And to make things a little bit more interesting, we're going to add different pricing to each of the videos. That means one video is going to have a price of, say, 50 cents. One of them is going to cost €1, and the third one is going to cost €1.50. In order to achieve this, we're going to use article IDs, and as you might be guessing already, we'll need to use a separate article ID for each different video. So, in order to do this, we first need to go to our source code here. Now let's look at the source code for LaterPay Video Demo 3, which is the 3rd video, of course. We need to add the article ID to the LaterPay Connector, underneath the LaterPay Connector tag, above the video tag here, we need to add the article ID tag in order to be able to associate this video with its article ID. Now, as mentioned before, we are going to be using separate article IDs for different videos, so we can just name them. To make things a little bit simpler, we're going to name them single purchase. Since this is video 3, let's name this single purchase 3. And for video demo 2, let's name it single purchase 2. And video demo 1, of course, single purchase 1. Remember to save these changes and propagate them to your server so that it's reflected in your website. And now all we need to do, after having associated 3 different article IDs to our videos, all we need to do is to go back to our connector interface here. And we need to define 3 single purchases associating every single purchase with the respective article ID. So let's just do that. Let's add firstly the single purchase video 1. And let's associate it with the article ID. Let's copy it from here. Of course, this is going to be the article ID single purchase 1. And as said at the beginning of this video, let's price this at 50 cents pay later. We do not need to associate a template. And now let's save. Now if we go back to our video here, video 1, and if we refresh, we're going to see that a purchase overlay has appeared here, which gives us the possibility of purchasing this video for 50 cents. As expected, video demo 2 and video demo 3 they're not showing this purchase overlay yet, of course, because they have different article IDs associated with these videos. Now in order to give them the purchase overlays, we need to go back to our connector dashboard here, and we need to create additional 2 single purchases. So let's again name this single purchase 2. We're going to need to specify the article ID here. Mind you, I made a mistake here going the exact path, so we first need to select the article ID. We need to put the article ID of single purchase 2 here. We will, as said, mark this price as €1 pay later. No template. Save. And now if we go back here, there it is. It's as simple as that. Let us just finalize this lecture by adding it for the 3rd video too. So single purchase 3. Select the article ID. The article ID is going to be the single purchase 3. We're going to specify it at €1.50 pay later. No template. We're clicking on save, and if we go back to our video, we're going to see that the video now boasts a paywall, €1.50. And again, this is what we wanted to have, so the result is exactly what we said it will be at the beginning of this video. And of course, just note that this is not a packaged offering, of course. If I would purchase this video here, what I'm going to do right now, then the first video is unlocked, I can view it. However, video 2 and 3 are still behind the paywall. So that's how defining single purchases on separate videos works with the connector for video.